I say boom boom boom. No weather about to say.
Yeah, 030-2211-701. 030-2211-702. 030-2211-703. And after 030-2211-704. Meshawa Daufra, lower TV set, you know. Wow, Tianka was Sempa 94.7 and Asida 105.9 Takrade. Mr. Lowano, TV National, Lowana Mame, Mr. Dove, fire Ghana 40 you.
You be your boy there. Kobe stone.
More fire.
But now for you, tell you, also show they need to make just
more fire.
No company, but do that. Mr. Akwesi, Yan, ye do buy. When him selection, you see it,
more fire.
In India, also. Would you mean catch them some heart mutu? Or you also say a friend
of fire.
May I castle with you be our friend Biano? In the quarter of friend, but I be on more, yeah, Mumma would out too much.
Too much.
You pray as well. On bet me a bo a GD Yamagana, but I told that now, madam, selfish interest, and I'm minimum way, yeah, call up on us. I was here to baby. Now, young me movie.
Ayoja Masala Keke, fire Ghana 40 you.
More fire.
More fire. More fire. Bibia come on,
near only Baba Mokani Minamo Ayagin.
More fire.
The whole word. If you are seeing the beauty of coach, any selection, he said, for an unmindful and question and some
more fire.
But coach, he says, our players will not make Tom, 7 year more quacono. Obeka, Cosipres, me, a Carmen Qua, Eka, this is the Matman or two Turkish League and the performance lay good. You must.
Jana Shimasula Gege. Ocha se, ese kwesiapia timi ebe kasa yaro fire ne yanko yanim. Mini fire ne yanko yanim fire. Yini free so ne yanko yanim. Michelle, ja onya ready no na wa yini free so ne yakọ. Makacha so ba mentie ho lower TV no lower radio no now dey tie phone no so ne yankasa. Ocha se utie phone so a ubetimi ne me akasa am ye nyina ye di nkomo emna so ese Ghana for etimi hu se ye wo team ye wo blaster no ye kita team a ye de akuyanim anyam player bia se wo se jesi ese buta ne ya friends wo mebo commando fire Ghana for you
yo this is the money moye
more fire
na it say Ghana telephone omo di Ghana blaster ni mu dey fa na moye
more fire
omo so ye sunsun metuma omo aye no more tie ye bre oh to say Ghana blaster pa to see an dwumadi be pa na to see an o kase Ghana ye ko bia we ka pa na bibia gwan pa de ejima ba mai omo mu to mu nyina yo mu sika wie omo kwato amanane e na omo bo bra ke do manga so ebo and no more catch you something from begin much now Ghana blaster let's say yeah different yeah honey to say yeah and the vampire and it's it is a Ghana blaster to be taken in him but more pounded my
Ghana blaster and a bit me akonanim your players are they are hungry for success yeah fire na Ghana for you and they are comedy no what you say
me gidi say you bet makoyeni because of share players are coach we are coaching after from new players
more fire
me who dey tia for so bia wo because all players ni na me gidi say the do na wa drop mo etika ya hwe ne first second match ni ya hwe say the coach ni di na ko hu ye ne ebe boa na me de me kwa de a ye man matches we no
lawyer fire ni yakuyanim lawyer fire ni yakuyanim Ghana 40 you you lawyer official mema ne mbonjo mo ha ye monyo mo ha you lawyer official o cha se onya ready a no way na official ne yakuyanim o cha se enti no sanete said the Ghana for guso e kasa no no blasters of Ghana team no efefo no said na papa e ka no wo mo na ndi no kra mo ho a eso ndi no kra e che Ghana for eso ma ye hu se weni na efra no abrafobia fire Ghana 40 you
more fire Kobiso
more fire
Faith Enterprise
yankuyanim
Kobiso me bo abasu ye pa ne aduma pa we de obo ya me kan say the reason why they pam Abraham Ganta na ni gina say on takruma average won fear ni ntino ama wo hu local business in from the bia no afre budget na de abigu
more fire
and enu nti and nam so e ma kwasi apia de e ba back
more fire
the kind performance by the kwasi apia kwasi na team because ye nyina ni me first time we go atu be gu no ho
more fire
later so again ni a ono better league ni bi
no players ni do no from say na be ya e be motivate local based players na hu say se o mo bo ana yiro ho be ti mo be hu nya to be ko bo ti ansa e ti de ko si aka ba na so so aba ni nya si tournament proper na ye ko bo friend match be ko bo hu ni pa so bia a be tell local based players mi na be ultimate fair bucket ne kwa no afa local based ni je say so o so the everyone get everyone that be ya na de uye bi
ayo ja Razak fire ne yanko yanim Ghana 40 o yanko yanim Razak fire Razak ahoma ne ye o ti ase Unifil suna yan fa Ishak me so Ishak fire na Ghana 40 o Mekom ona Ghana 40 nyina edika
mo aka bia o mama ko mo fire ko ma Dr. Keke sa
mo fire
bia nem se local based play as a president of Ghana Football Association, what you can do just say, your friend is at some one election, your friend, local based players, maybe, and the coach is not a trim. Besides, Ghana League, no one in corruption, matches in a 6 months, be supposed to strike a papa and my friend, you know, Ghana League now move any match, and I'm going to be there. Only I have both friendly match, I both playing the announcement, I full league, you know, and some penny minutes I generate now. We just two of one young
mybet.com. A honor, say, Uchaya, now we do Sika, mybet.com. UEFA Champions League, Yamia Duma Saturday, and a finals, no air passo. Predicted 2 or precon, now what discaboting their go on. Ocha say, Kobe fire Ghana 40 you. Kobe, me say, mentio, Ocha say, Yauti any so Abe Casano, it was sit time, you Kobe free so, near come Diaja, a honor Ghana for you, Nedija, a Malcolm, because we be up with Yabenabi, El Malcolm, Mutru Kabatri. Muturu car battery. Or say what's so crowd came on fire Ghana 40 you.
Mamantia, Ibrahim Banjidana, more fire. Crone woman, a young crowd, more fire. Messi Crone woman, a young crowd, more fire. Oh, Tim, appears ill, Chromia, papa. And I mean, Ibrahim Banjidana again 120%. Say, I say. Chromia players Nadia, Japan Muse, Sebi, admire Hulbina, Omoyano, Chromiano, Japan Muse, admire Hulbina, Omoyano, Chromiano, Never ball, ya, Blasta, ya, from Moko boy, a Biana boy, Ebono, Chromiano, James Naya, and find someone young. Maybe dear, Sim now, I could stop your film, manage home, because it's happy as my family, your more players do a command man, or me, I guess some more.
Ayo, Benada money, fire na Ghana for you.
Air condition special GCR phone at all pay
more fire.
Opening Yakun could acquire no Nagana coach. I found that Omano coach Ghana Brastano. Yatrano, Oman home or then local team, no, but then or the boys in the because with 3 Baba Shop, Mate, Uncle Pramasu, local player bia ma me chem amna ma me go bi ana ka me dwen ho amenta beni da koya ya ke be ka to no abro omo mo agrotimam kwa no tibi problem adenti na omo bobo Ghana ha no o fre bi no fa mu ko bobo no say ya da ti bia no afadifo ni ho am na be ba be si o manai e de ya wa mo no ho mode kra mo no ho mode so
oja national ocha say Joy Herbal Products ahodo no e wo town Makacho say Joy Herbal Industries omo the products bebre and omo the aba enti no bomade say obepebie omo the Joy ointment and omo so no e the aba awake purified drinking water Tabia Herbal Misha kona kopebi nanom Tabia Herbal Misha kona kopebi na chese aye oja
let me say let me say
fire for fire. Of course this is the show back Ghana for nyina agi atum oti asesan say the biada me catch say show we ekita wonderful queue enti ye ba ni jasu oti ase ne be hetina kokokokokokotoko elo jan camera na chi sanso na Razak so bu akire oti ase justice morning say queue no heavy Sergio the unbeatable Manucho the strongest producer utunentu upianempia otechire dentente na fire birthday come out Mavis Amano the fire lady fire birthday samre ushemu US monte so ache se birthday na ma yedi Ghana ha no wo de akotena US e na wo di birthday no wo ti ase na nyame atuma Saturday 26th Basso Live we are the biggest fanfare me sure enyu hu mfiri mu ache se for real concert ache se Basso ene Joy Prime and oma come ho bom e de san hihye eba obehu tima kunkum me kokko kakra e chen no o cha se me ankasa so obehu me live e wo dwumedie na se afi che se opanka mo anyontufu akuku dame ateke wane ngege wo mo nyina eba enti no ena from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. rate no 20 Ghana cedis per me chro utua 20 na ye ma buffet obedidi anonom na ye se obekọ no na wankasa uja na so chairman Abiola Asante nyina Abiola wo kuma se samre onso hwe dwumede ne live chairman Abiola ene okodoma na chese eno ye soccer bet nti ye chesi coach soccer betway o se betway no a confusing crofo domao no that yes o coach no betting nti ne chese o mo chesi ni sa ena no crofo me no coach enu ton
o se eno enye chase o mo approach no
Elvis o say
o mo approach eno enye chase dey say udiem nika di obi achi
o call report ma police phone nyina
but me ka say enye chase o mo approach
enti na echi say ankasa
oh we normal yi say bobo
someone di bet no
oh
eno anom di scan mbro so
o woni yankofu mi eno mo fi say bia wa mo bet say
o mo ko twa ba bi bet ne de eno na ye betway no online sports betting company eno na ye betway me match me am matcha aduana ebebo nyina de obedidi account Elvis apom tisen
bibia bokomia
Alhaji Makosa
Kobi
na what you say na ya na me no why kama
yeah
ujawa na o ya shem so sa
Kobi ubisa na asem
me bisa na asem
em say Chelsea coach we say omo approach no
also omo approach coach
na approach say Kopia police station
eno na me say busa ni approach no the police station
but what kind no o say deny no mo bi what can say bet issue actually we ma say am personal nkofo me nu bi bet so ebiti
wo fo me nu na mo approach coach asem mo kan no say wase
okay mama me say free Makosa so na Alhaji ye hwe another squad aba ekofo su Ghana for kasa o cha se ene ukokuma se a me chema ho chema Abiola o munye complain Alhaji
hwe Kosiapia we a good person but not coaching
good person
but not the coaching
wow how would you saying
the playing days you know is one of the best defenders our Ghana local sinner
the Rock
but coaching the enye na duma me ebi aba bibi the national team enye Kosiapia because nipa binimu influence coach na ama ye no mo bia wa obegu Ghana team no obegu no
Alhaji waka no ma me sia
me say obegu no
e say no o wasan ka say nkofo bi na influence no
yes ne ma me na say uma wo
na so no betimi aye but nkofo bi na influence no
uma wo na say wontimi no
okay
obi a yetimi influence no ma o ya ade a
enye sia onye serious ka
eno asem na me ka o ti say enye say tuba de me giri say nka onye nipa nka betimi aye bibi sa but amanfo I influence no ma say Ghana na national team no na me kan say ye fo bronyi a musi bronyi de e na won hwe Ghana league e na won say wo so na akotene no krom wo boy ka ye tiana minister ba say sisi ade wotimi anya friends and dan ama national team coach yeta won go try dan no ye show dan mo bi ehu
bia wo ho
iti what Ghana ha iti ye Ghana ye ni player ba kokra oni bobo
e dan won kan ha
national team no enya club eye nyina ye team
okay
ene ye nyina ne ni bobo bia is ofre no
okay
what you say iti ye Ghana local players will be any bobo mama more example
okay
hwe Morocco Raja Casablanca Morocco qualify World Cup mu 4 players echo World Cup mu ne aduana team abo match aduana player ba kokura nim na wo jiro ka chance Kosiapia ye coach say nyesika die na mu titi boys na e na mu frefre omo a die na chance boy we coach Dabi nyesika na omo titi boys na die na chance we coach any ball mu yet na mo be international
okay maybe simre
minimum ka na omo to so na omo to so
oda ka kuma to yam kakra
Kobe, I think say your technical team no, me can Black Star. Omo ye disappointed.
Yeah, Gene dear.
Masa dear, na Gade.
No.
Me dear, asamen okay.
You see, you train now.
Asamen okay. Asamen. Na who players are you doing
evidence? I come how. Ba who evidence? I come how.
Na nya sa dear.
Enti who na wo.
Local players dear me na make.
Enti who na wo.
Me na make.
Okay.
Asamen okay.
I think say your national team technical bench no mo ye disappointed kakra. And maybe a twem na abrofo ene na take team no. You feel say omo dey because of money until the time you omo abonti omo outside it e be aboti players na no money job but ye three coaches see Meka Maxwell Tanko Kwesi Apia omo nyina ye ne omo nyina na tikruma ya bo league ye ya wie first round nti omo person omo chair say ye players no omo kwam no obi enu a wo deserve fine Felisanan or a good goalkeeper or Mato Safeno
your friend one count
say one count. That's why
hey, omo you no see any I will say technical bench almost set up because who to make can't say 15 matches I yabo okrom ha nti you need player papa bakokwa okrom enti kwesi apia person o che me say e me bi atwam na Ghana ha yetimi yi players yetimi nya local players be 4 3 5 you know Eddie common
national team Africa players Africa bakokra ni mo ye papa
Brekum Chelsea players sometimes ago na Brekum Chelsea players be 3 and no more Black Star Solomon Asante no omo na no mo ni Black Star no mo nya kwan Liberty 6 esi ni na satam asamoje ni no mo be join see ye ma brantia ne kwan no mo nchire ni omo betimi aye o ma brantia ne kwan no ba masa above place here to from one omo see B ni see C e wa bridge e mo
ba ku be so o ba
me kwesi apia bia no England ya e ko fa ne ba
ya friend no
kwesi apia bia ko fa ne ba ya oba odi Black Star beji ni din ko wi en ya ti ni ka bio board ko nya bi bo kroma you see ye mam na no mo kroma no kwan no mo anything that you be ya support local coaches no ye say ya support local coaches bo mo buy na bi no
any Lucas no be friend no
e ti won mo mam na no kwan mo tinya bo
so who bo friendly match na local player ntimi nko exhibiting talent tournament na competitive match be
Alhaji Makosa and Elvis and I would say womo ede womo die pa no nyame ka ho na wonya okese se odu afidie etoa nyame adom akina ye besan aba na ye dede aka abedan ene okose ka na se St Philips ho na wo nchi akese pa enko enfama medino ede Cobblestone Ibrahim Babangida enso join the show no nyame yo bibia akese ebeye oja
Let me say